How to synchronize Cam Scanner across devices without cloud. Now, if you want to sync Cam Scanner across devices without using your cloud, what you're going to use is your Wi-Fi. You make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi first of all. After you connect to your Wi-Fi, then you click on me here, and you see this the synchronize option here. You click on it and then synchronize between all the devices. Or also, you are going to go into your sync setting. But if you are using the premium account, you go to your synchronize settings, then you set it on LAN, local area network. Then you pair devices to synchronize without using cloud. You are using the Wi-Fi now. You're welcome.